Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide using Morph Transition in just 4 minutes. Plus, you can free download this template from a link in the description below as well. And the best thing is that you can reverse this template as well. So let's start. The first thing you're going to do is open up a blank slide. And then what we're going to do is cover it with a rectangle, remove its outline. And now we're going to insert a curve-like shape using this curved line to make a custom curve shape. So it may be difficult for some of you, so we can just repeat it into a zigzag pattern, and we're gonna just connect the endpoint with the starting point. Now let's select it, the rectangle, and then the shape. Go to merge options and click on intersect. Click on fragment. So what we're gonna do is just remove the other parts, and from our device I'm gonna add some images. So as you can see, I'm gonna add the image of a juice bottle. So we're just gonna decrease the image of our other stuff that we're gonna use for this template, and let's just rotate them, and we're gonna put them right here, and then customize their sizes and also their lengths and heights. So let's just send this one to the back. We're gonna increase this PNG's image and increase the bottle size as well. Let's rotate some of our contents and let's duplicate them and reuse them in our slide. Next, we're gonna just duplicate this leaf and we're gonna put it onto the previous leaves as well. And it may just look fine right here. We're gonna select the rectangle and both of the shapes, and then we're gonna send it to the front after seeing that all the contents are visible onto the slide and not out of the slide. So what we're gonna do is just put them back onto our slide and increase or decrease their size, send this shape to the front and see if our other images are visible or not. So as you can see, they are not visible, so I'm just gonna move them to the right side. And for this image, it's not visible into my slides, so I can think of removing it. Let me tell you that you can free download this template from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use for your own purposes. So let's just select both of the rectangles or the shapes, and we're gonna go shape format and change their fill using the eyedropper. So I'm gonna go to more fill color and give them a lighter shade. And let's go to format background, and we're gonna use a dark color that we previously used. So we're gonna just make it more darker. Now close the format background, and we're gonna add a text box in which we're gonna write our header, and let's just add like 2 words title and increase its size, change its font to a bold one, and then you're gonna use the same color as you used in the background, or you can use the eyedropper to use a new color for the text. And then we're gonna go add our content text. You can give it white color, but as you can see, it is not really visible, so I'm just gonna use a black color, and let's just give it some line spacing and decrease its size, move it to the right side, and we can add this rounded corner rectangle in the right by an edge, and we're gonna change its fill. Now let's go to shape format and shape effects, and from here what we're gonna do is give it a shadow of the fifth number. Now duplicate this slide, and what we're gonna select all of the images and hide them behind the shape and move the shape, connect the shape with the other part on the right side. Now we're gonna select this last slide, and let's just move this text out of it and increase the size of the title, and we're gonna move it into the middle and the center of our slide and move it to the first position. We're gonna select both of the slides and then give them more transition. So this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. Plus you can free download this template from the link in the description below.